Financial independence isn't just a dream. It's a plan, a mindset, and a movement. Most young professionals spend decades trapped in the paycheck cycle, trading time for money. But what if you could escape that system decades earlier? What if your life wasn't defined by bills, debt, and endless work hours? The FIRE strategy, financial independence, retire early, isn't about quitting work today. It's about designing freedom tomorrow, step by step, choice by choice. Imagine living without financial stress, making decisions based on passion, not necessity. It starts with understanding money as a tool, not a goal. Every dollar you save and invest today compounds into years of freedom tomorrow. And the earlier you start, the faster the magic of compounding accelerates. Because FIRE isn't a fantasy, it's a blueprint, tested by thousands of young professionals worldwide. This isn't about extreme sacrifice, it's about smart decisions repeated daily. It's about creating a life where money serves you, not the other way around. If you're ready to reclaim your time, control your life, and live on your terms, this strategy is for you. 1. Track, audit, and control your spending. Before you can gain financial freedom, you need to know where every dollar goes. Track every expense, like from rent to coffee, for at least a month. Audit your spending and identify leaks, subscriptions, impulsive purchases, or unnecessary luxuries. Financial independence begins with control, because you can't save what you don't measure. Set up budgets that prioritize investments over consumption and automate savings wherever possible. This isn't about depriving yourself. It's about redirecting resources to freedom, not friction. Every conscious decision adds to your FIRE quotient. The small daily choices compound into massive long-term effects. Cutting recurring waste isn't painful, it's empowering. When you see your money working for you, not against you, motivation multiplies. Financial awareness breeds confidence, and confidence accelerates independence. Track, adjust, and stay vigilant. This is the foundation upon which all FIRE success is built. Consistency in small steps creates momentum that can't be stopped. The discipline you build here will pay dividends far beyond money. 2. Maximize income, minimize lifestyle inflation. Young professionals often fall into the trap of spending more as they earn more. FIRE isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Maximize income streams through promotions, side hustles, freelancing, or entrepreneurial ventures. But resist the temptation to inflate your lifestyle each time your paycheck grows. Instead, channel those earnings into investments that build assets and generate passive income. Every dollar saved today compounds into months, even years of freedom tomorrow. The secret is not deprivation, but intentional allocation. Treat new income as a tool for acceleration, not indulgence. Invest consistently, automate deposits, and avoid emotional spending. Lifestyle creep is the silent enemy of independence. By controlling your spending and scaling savings with income, FIRE becomes attainable much faster. Your future self will thank you, and your life will reward your discipline exponentially. Prioritizing growth over luxury today makes early retirement realistic tomorrow. Every decision to save strengthens your long-term financial resilience. 3. Invest aggressively and intelligently. Once you've built control over spending and increased savings, it's time to let money work for you. Invest in diversified portfolios, index funds, ETFs, dividend stocks, or even real estate. The FIRE strategy thrives on compounding. The longer your money grows, the more powerful it becomes. Focus on long-term growth rather than short-term speculation. Even small monthly contributions consistently invested can snowball into financial independence over a decade or two. Automation here is critical. Set it, forget it, and let compounding do its work silently. Investing aggressively doesn't mean recklessness, it means calculated risk. Start small if necessary, but start immediately. Reinvest returns, avoid emotional reactions to market fluctuations, and focus on the long game. The power of time in the market cannot be overstated. With each passing year, your investments inch you closer to freedom, while the world around you remains trapped in the paycheck cycle. Consistency creates a compounding snowball you'll thank yourself for later. Intelligent risk-taking accelerates wealth far more than cautious waiting. Every choice now determines the freedom you'll have decades from today. 4. Protect your progress with smart insurance and emergency funds. Financial independence is meaningless if one crisis wipes out years of work. Maintain an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses to handle life's unexpected shocks. Get appropriate insurance, health, life, disability, to shield your assets and peace of mind. Protection isn't pessimism, it's preparation. A well-structured safety net ensures that setbacks don't derail your FIRE journey. Every buffer you build reinforces your freedom and accelerates confidence in your financial plan. Risk management is as important as aggressive investing. Without it, gains can vanish overnight. Protecting wealth allows you to stay invested and disciplined during turbulent times. The emergency fund isn't just money, it's freedom in a tangible form. Insurance isn't a cost, once it's a lever for resilience. With these safeguards, your journey to FIRE becomes not only possible but unstoppable. Preparation ensures you can act strategically while others panic. Safety nets turn potential disasters into minor obstacles on your path to freedom. 5. Review, adjust, and scale. Financial independence isn't static. It evolves with your life and goals. Review your progress quarterly, adjust strategies, and increase contributions where possible. As your skills, income, and knowledge grow, scale your investments to match your ambition. FIRE is not a finish line. It's a moving target, one you chase with intelligence and discipline. Celebrate milestones, but don't stop planning. Every adjustment compounds into accelerated freedom and confidence. Scaling also means exploring new passive income streams, REITs, dividend stocks, or side businesses. Learn from failures and successes alike. They're all lessons that shorten your path to independence. Don't let complacency slow you. Momentum is your most valuable asset. The small steps you take consistently now determine whether you retire in decades or decades early. FIRE is a mindset as much as a strategy, one built on patience, consistency, and relentless focus. Stay committed, adapt, and remember, freedom favors the discipline. Long-term planning and flexibility turn uncertainty into opportunity. Continuous growth and adjustment ensure your independence accelerates year after year. FIRE isn't just about retiring early, it's about taking control of your life now. Every step you take toward financial independence multiplies your freedom, choice, and options. Start tracking, saving, and investing today, because the earlier you begin, the faster your future arrives. You don't need to earn a fortune, you need to act consistently. The path to FIRE rewards discipline, courage, and long-term thinking. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone ready to reclaim their financial freedom. Each dollar you invest today buys years of freedom tomorrow. Your life isn't meant to be rented to an employer. It's meant to be owned by you. And with the FIRE strategy, that ownership isn't just a dream, it's a plan. Small, consistent actions create momentum that money alone can't buy. The earlier you start, the sooner you control your time and choices. Every step toward FIRE compounds into decades of financial liberty.